Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Apple Watch user, you know how essential it is to manage your device's battery and features effectively. In this video, we'll dive into how to put your Apple Watch into sleep mode for 2025 models. This feature is super handy for conserving power during downtime or even tracking your sleep patterns more accurately. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Apple Watch is running the latest software update. Head to your iPhone, open the Watch app, go to General, and check for any available updates. This ensures you're getting the most up-to-date sleep mode options, which might include enhanced low-power features in 2025. Now, on your Apple Watch itself, the process is straightforward. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the control center. Look for the sleep mode icon. It looks like a moon or a bed symbol, depending on your watch model. Tap it once, and you'll see a confirmation prompt. Select Enable Sleep Mode to activate it. For 2025 models, you might also see advanced options like scheduling sleep mode automatically based on your routine. If you prefer using your iPhone, open the Watch app, navigate to the Sleep section under My Watch, and toggle the sleep mode on. This syncs directly with your watch and can be customized for bedtime reminders or do not disturb settings. Remember, once in sleep mode, your screen will dim, and most notifications will be silenced to help you rest better. A quick tip. To wake your Apple Watch from sleep mode, just raise your wrist or tap the screen as usual. It's that simple. This feature not only saves battery but also integrates with the Health app for better sleep tracking. There you have it. Putting your Apple Watch in sleep mode is easy and efficient. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.